Welcome to the Home Science lesson on managing income. In this lesson, you will learn about income and its source, expenditure, savings and the need for managing income. You'll also learn about what is a spending plan or a budget, how to make a spending plan, how much to spend on each item and characteristics of a good budget. Let's start. Income is like the lifeblood of a family. It's the money that comes into your household. And this money can flow in from various sources, such as your parents' jobs, the rent you receive, the interest from the bank, and even the skills your family members possess. Think about it, if your mom can stitch clothes, or your dad can grow vegetables, it saves money you'd otherwise spend hiring a tailor or buying veggies. Now, let's talk about expenditure. This is when you spend money on things your family needs. Think about everything your family buys: food, housing, clothing, education, transport, medical expenses, and entertainment. But here's the thing, you need to ensure that your spending doesn't exceed your income. If it does, you might find yourselves borrowing money just to meet your basic needs. So, the golden rule is, your expenditure should be less than your income. This means planning your spending carefully to stay within your budget. We call this managing income. And to do that, you need a spending plan, also known as a budget. But the key to financial stability is saving. Saving is like setting aside money for future needs, emergencies, or even those luxury items you desire. It's your family's safety net. In other words, you should aim to save some money for the future. This money can be a safety net for medical bills or unexpected expenses, and even for big events like weddings or higher education. To effectively manage your income, you need a spending plan or a budget. It's like a roadmap that helps you spend your money wisely. First, list all the income sources and facilities available to your family. Then, list all your family's needs and prioritize them. Now, allocate funds for each need while keeping your total income in mind. This way, you'll know exactly how much you can spend on each item and ensure you save some money too. But how much should you save? Well, a good rule of thumb is to save at least 10% of your monthly income. Remember, the key to a successful budget is balance. You should spend less than you earn. If you find it hard to do that, you can either find ways to earn more money or cut down on unnecessary expenses. To cut expenses, avoid wasting food, reduce eating out, and be mindful of electricity and water usage. And always keep a record of your expenses. This will help you track your spending, plan for the future, and avoid overspending. And with that, we wrap up this informative lesson. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.